Or CDTV is the perfect information platform for use in the hospitality industry, such as hotels and resorts. We have chosen to demonstrate an interactive application as it could be used on a cruise ship. This is the Royal Caribbean Interactive Cruise Director. Use the buttons on the remote control to make selections from the on-screen menus. You may press the button labeled Escape to return to this menu at any time. For personal assistance, just ask any Royal Caribbean crew member. Caribbean brings you the Caribbean in style, a style so extraordinary we call our ships the grand resorts of the seven seas. There's a beauty salon and sauna where you can pamper yourself, a refreshing swimming pool, and Royal Caribbean's trademark Viking Crown Lounge, which offers a bird's eye view of the Southern Caribbean. You'll be treated to superb dining, impeccable service, dazzling entertainment, and a wide variety of activities. This is a total vacation package where every effort is made to assure your total enjoyment and complete comfort. While you're with us on the Sun Viking, you'll see the islands in an entirely new light, a light so dazzling and radiant it will shine